2 days after Thanksgiving, and we are having our first snow of the season. And it's really kind of I would say a icy snow, because it sounds more like rain as it's coming down. Of course, the train is going by too, so you really can't hear the sound until the train gets finished. But oh, this is really pretty. I wondered when the first snow would happen, and it is happening now. Covering the deck, covering the trees, nice and thick. Oh, I wish the train would stop so you could hear the sound of the snow. So before our Thanksgiving meal, we enjoy our company and have some delicious meals like Brussels sprouts that were roasted in the oven. I made a chicken pot pie. Then we like to have Mexican food, and I like to fix sour cream chicken enchiladas with queso and guacamole and Spanish rice. Nice salad to go with that. We always enjoy Mexican food when company comes. And then when Thanksgiving feast finally arrives, I like to make the traditional dishes like cream cheese pumpkin muffins. That was a new recipe. We really enjoyed that. I made cranberry cookies dipped with chocolate and covered with walnuts. We have the traditional Thanksgiving meal. We had brisket, ribs, turkey, dressing, scalloped potatoes, and then my sister-in-law brought an Italian cream cake that was just wonderful. It was a great Thanksgiving, and we sure did enjoy everyone. Enjoyed the weather after the ice storm, and it was just lovely.